Do you find it difficult to find the time for your important task? It happens with many people. Today I am going to give you a time management tool which is called time blocking. Here what you do is block the time, reserve the time for your very important task. So let us assume that next week you have to do sales presentation to your customers. So this week you have to prepare for the sales presentation. But it will so happen that you will get mingled in the small work, unimportant tasks, and you will not be able to finish the work. So what you have to do, let us assume that tomorrow you are blocking 2 hours for preparation of the sales presentation. That way you will be able to complete your important tasks. This technique is used by Jeff Bezos, by Bill Gates, and also by Elon Musk.